Hey guys, today we're doing chapter 9, lesson 7, which is writing equations. We've talked about expressions the past few days, so let's talk about equations now. So let's focus. Kim has 1 dog, 2 hamsters, and 5 fish. Write an equation to represent how many pets Kim has. We're going to actually use a variable in this one. We're going to use P for pets, so we can represent that as an equation. So she has 1 dog, 2 hamsters, and 5 fish. And the reason why we are using addition is we want to represent how many she has total. Okay, so we're going to put that as 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals P. Okay, because we're representing how many pets she has. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8 equals P for pets. Okay, so an equation has an equal sign. It has an equal sign in it. So it will always have an equal sign. It might have a variable, it might not, but it will always have an equal sign. You've heard me use the term equation a lot this year, so it has an equal sign in your actual expression. Okay, so example 1, use the information shown to find the total number of red and green apples. Write an equation. So we're not worried about yellow, so I'm gonna work that out. So it wants to find the total number. That means it is wanting addition. So we're going to do 5 red and 4 green. And I'm going to write A for apples because I'm going to use that as a variable. I'm going to try to start using variables more. So we have 5 plus 4 equals 9 apples. Okay, so we wrote the equation with a variable and we solved it. So in order to write an equation, you need to decide what operation to use in order to write that equation. There are words and phrases that can help you do that, and these are in your book as well. If you want addition, if you have to use addition, it will say sum, more, in all, or together. There's just some examples of those, okay? So addition are those 4. Subtraction, if it says difference, less than, left, or fewer than, more than likely you're using subtraction. For multiplication, you can use product, times as many, twice, or in each. So if a problem has any of those words in it, multiplication is the way you're going to use. And division, you have quotient, divide, half, or into equal groups. So you're going to be using division if any of those say that. So these are just examples. There might be other ones too, but these are the more common ones that you'll see if it tells you to do something. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to example 2. Hayden uses tape measure to find the total length of a board needed to finish his tree fort. When he cuts the board, one piece will be 48 inches and the other will be 32 inches. What is the total length of the board? Now, it says total. So we're going to add. So we have 48, we have 32. Use B for the unknown, it said, equals B. Which, if we want to solve it, what does B equal? You just add those together. So it would equal 80 inches. I'll write inches on there. Okay, so let's look at example 3. A hardware store ordered 2 sets of monkey wrenches. There are 3 wrenches in each set. After the wrenches are shipped, the store will have a total of 7 wrenches. How many wrenches did they already have? Okay, so they have 2 sets, 3 in each set. So we know that that's going to be multiplied. Okay, after they're shipped, the store will have a total of 7. So that means we're going to add something here, but we don't know, and the total would be 7. We're going to use W for the unknown, so we're going to put our W in because we don't know that part. So there's our equation now. Now let's solve for the equation. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus W equals 7. So we're going to subtract 6 from 7, which equals 1. They had 1 wrench already. Okay, so let's write an equation to represent each sentence. Number 1, the total of 3 letters plus 2 letters is X letters. So we have 3 letters, 2 letters equals X letters. So the total, you're using addition. So 3 plus 2 equals X, so X would equal 5. A group of 6 has X taken away and 2 are left. Taken away is subtraction. So we have 6 minus X equals 2. So if we're going to do X, it would have 4 taken away because 6 minus 4 equals 2. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, get started on your independent practice.